If your Chrome account sync is giving you trouble, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get Chrome syncing properly again. This is one of those problems that can happen when sync gets paused, cookies are being cleared too aggressively, or the cloud sync data itself gets stuck. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's start with the most common issue, a paused sync. If you look at your profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome and it says paused, that means Chrome has stopped syncing because you may have signed out of a Google service like Gmail or your cookies were cleared. To fix this, click your profile picture in the top right corner of Chrome. Then click Sync is paused or Sign in again. Chrome will ask you to log back into your Google account. Go ahead and sign in, and that should restore the connection and let your data start syncing again. If that doesn't fully fix it, the next thing to try is turning sync off and on again. This is basically a reset for Chrome's connection to Google's cloud servers, and it often clears out temporary sync issues. To do that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then open Settings. On the You and Google tab, look for your account name and click Turn Off next to it. If you want to start completely fresh, you can check the box to clear data from your device. But remember, that only removes local data from this browser and your cloud backup stays safe. After that, click Turn Off. Once Chrome is disabled, restart the browser. Then click your profile icon again and choose Turn On Sync to sign back in and rebuild the sync connection. Now, if Chrome keeps pausing sync every time you close the browser, the problem may be related to cookies or site data being deleted automatically. In that case, you'll want to check your Google cookie restrictions. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Scroll down and open Additional Content Settings, then choose On-Device Site Data. Look at your current settings and see whether Chrome is set to delete data when you close the browser. If that option is enabled, Chrome may be clearing the login data it needs to keep sync active. To fix that, scroll down to the section for sites that are allowed to save data to your device. Click Add, and then type exactly google.com. Then click Add again. This tells Chrome to keep Google login data allowed, while still letting you manage other site data normally. This is a really useful fix if sync keeps getting interrupted after every restart. And if Chrome is still acting up, the final step is to reset sync through the Google dashboard. This is especially helpful if the sync data stored on Google's cloud servers is corrupted, which can cause Chrome to freeze, fail during setup, or refuse to sync properly. To do this, go to chrome.google.com/sync in your browser. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down. You'll see the option to delete data. Click that to reset the cloud sync cache. Don't worry, this does not remove your local browser data from your device, but it can clear out the broken sync information that's causing the problem. After that, go back into Chrome and sign in again if needed. Then give sync a few moments to rebuild. So to recap, if Chrome sync is paused, sign back in. If the connection is stuck, turn sync off and on again. If the problem keeps returning, check your cookie settings and allow Google to save data. And if the cloud sync data itself is corrupted, reset it from the Google dashboard. Try these steps in order, and in most cases, that will fix your Chrome account sync problem quickly. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Chrome issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.